Welcome back everyone, my name is Max, this is The Rap Sheet, and if you're new to this channel, think about pressing that subscribe button. Today we're taking another look at MGK, this one's called Till I Die. Now I can't remember for the life of me who recommended this one. I thought I'd written it down, I haven't. I'm going to take a stab in the dark, I don't know if it is, and I'm sorry if it's not you. Matthew James? So anyway, other than that, do you know what time it is? It's Machine Gun Kelly time.
My manager was calling me back in the day like, yo,
Edited by
promoters
MGK.
don't want to book you because they don't think you're going to sell no tickets because they say you talk about Cleveland too much. I look at it like it's 6 years later and I'm still shouting Cleveland on every fucking stage, on every magazine cover.
What rapper doesn't shout about where they're from? Every rapper you know where they're from. Why? Because they rap about it? What kind of stupid shit's that?
Off tattoos and all that.
Unless he's saying Cleveland's...
Every fucking song. I'm my daughter in Cleveland, motherfucker. So don't tell me shit about this city. You know what I'm saying? I'm a Cleveland motherfucker till I die.
And that's the name of the song.
One time for the city. My city. Bitch up from the land till I die. Till I die.
The fuck?
East side till I die.
That came in hard. That came in nice. Boom.
My city. Bitch up from the land till I die. Till I die. On the east side till I die. Till I die. Bumping that bone thugs till I die.
Bone Thugs and Harmony.
Till I die. In the hood I'm good till I die. CLE till I die.
Ooh.
Everywhere I go, putting on. Putting on, putting on. Everywhere I go, putting on. Putting on.
So just, so far, just a track about bigging up Cleveland.
Everywhere I go, putting on. Putting on. Where you from? Straight out of the motherfucking crib, ho. On 128, me and Slim Dog.
Slim Bears?
Yeah, bro, we was smoking mid, bro.
This is, you know, building up. But what's this beat? This beat, I don't know what I'm trying to nod to it. I'm trying to... There we go.
From the land till I die. Till I die. On the east side till I die. Till I die. Bumping that bone thugs till I die. Till I die. In the hood I'm good till I die. CLE till I die. Everywhere I go I'm putting on. Putting on, putting on. Everywhere I go I'm putting on. Putting on, putting on. Everywhere I go I'm putting on.
My last reaction, it was saying he's going to stay in Cleveland forever. So does he still live there? I know this, I think this might be a bit older, but does he still live there?
Putting on, putting on. Everywhere I go, I'm putting on. Putting on. Where you from? Y'all know. Y'all know. It's tatted up on all my squad, ho. I wrote J's in a 12-inch rock paper. Every day I live life like Pablo. Y'all know. Y'all know.
Pablo Escobar?
I live life like Pablo. Y'all know. Y'all know. I'm tatted like I don't need jobs, ho. Nobody's gonna stop me getting paper.
I'm tatted like I don't need jobs. Anytime people want to get a tattoo or you think about getting a tattoo, at least parents, how you going to get a job with that? How you going to get a job with a tattoo on your neck or like that? You'll never get a job with a tattoo like that. He's got tattoos everywhere. I don't need no job. I don't need no 9 to 5.
I don't need jobs, ho. Nobody's gonna stop me getting paper. And that feel like El Chapo. I was getting high in the 6th
Pablo,
grade. Throw my hands in the hall on the first day. Scared of one of my hoes getting knocked up. Catch a purse in the mall, get locked up. Bitch, I needed paper. I needed paper. Dreaming of a penthouse on the elevator. The hood told me don't talk, just walk mine. 10 balls on the curb by the stop sign.
Don't talk, walk. Don't talk about that life, live that life.
East side, west side. Cleveland for
putting on,
East side, west side,
putting on, putting on.
uptown and down the way, uptown and down the way. EC to the heights all day, EC to the heights all day. From the land till I die, till I die. On the east side till I die, till I die.
Ooh.
Over that bone throw till I die,
Did he fly off that bottom of that bike?
till I die. On the east side till I die, till I die. Over that bone
He came off that bike.
till I die. In the hood I'm good till I die. EST till I die.
Sorry, I did watch all that ending bit about all the people saying thank you to and the places he grew up and where he was eating at and some of the stuff he did with his friends and getting jumped in a strip club and jumping on the police car. I read all that and I watched all that. It was very interesting and I enjoyed it. That song to me, like I say, and that video was just a hype song for me. Even when he was playing it in the club, it's just the bass that comes in, that's like a hype song for Cleveland. That's what that was. I'm probably only going to download that because I want to hear it in my car speakers. I just want to hear the bass. But also because that beat, like I say, because it's a hype tune. When I'm rolling to work and that's playing, you best believe I'm ready to put in a shift. But that beat in my head whilst I'm typing. Morning, Dave. Beat in my head, it's Morning, Dave, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I did like it. I'm going to download it, see what it's like. Like I say, it wasn't the best lyric or the best beat, but I enjoyed it. So we're going to leave it here today. If you're new to this channel, think about pressing that subscribe button. Other than that, go over on Twitter and Instagram and follow me on there. My name's Max. This has been The Rap Sheet. Thanks for watching. One love. Peace. Happy as till I die.